Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. I finally got it installed. Got the inside lights going right now. You can see them in there. And I'm going to turn on the outside lights here if I can figure out which one it is. There you go. There's the outside lights on. They go on both sides or the middle. I'll leave those on down in the front two are on. And then here's the gotta turn on the door power. I don't like to leave it on in case somebody accidentally screws it up. Let's see here. Should be this one all the way over here. Wait a minute. So you can see that you can control it up and down. I'm just going to leave them up like that for now. It makes it easier. But got it working. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and come back again and see us.